Hello and welcome to Mangley Town. Today we've got a little unboxing. It's not a loco but a new coach pack out from Hornby. It's the Southeastern Class 395 coach pack for the Hornby Visitor Centre 395, which is coach MSO 39134 and MSO 39135, and it's Hornby item R4999, and that is the set for R3813, the Southeastern 395 Hornby Visitor Centre. So we'll have a little look. And we have two very nice coaches. I must admit, I do really like this Southeastern livery. Even got a bit more protective packaging on there, and I notice it's also recycled cardboard packaging and more than likely recyclable itself, which is better than the old polystyrene ones. So not really different from the ones that they've done before, but still two very nice coaches. Haven't actually got the Hornby Visitor Centre pack myself. I've got R3821 and a few extra coaches to go with that. I won't put this on the layout and show you, because I'd be very tempted to pull it with my set and make it a full 11 car set, which obviously isn't quite right for the 6 car sets in real life. But what I may end up doing is buying another one of the actual train packs, so I can have two of these going together and even see if I can get them joined up to make the real life 12 car. Thank you for watching.